Hello guys, Kevin Auto Insider here. So today we have another episode of A7. This issue is for Nissan B15 model. We also have some other cars that comes with this ECU. So this ECU has a faulty ignition coils, so isn't working on the ignition coils for number 1 and also number 3. That means that car won't have a good idling and might not start. It's a common problem for this IC and ECU, and we are working on bench. I'll show you step by step, and also make sure you see how it's working after the bench testing. So we are checking on the voltage for this ECU, see if the processor is just working well, and we can see the regulator for the voltage if it's also working well. I can see the faulty IC is becoming hot, and we need to replace this. So keep watching. So in case you have an issue for this ECU, you can reach out to us at Auto Insider. The number is on the bio, and will help you fix for that. So we have also unplugged the power after checking. So it's time to use the gun and see how it goes. So we are now at the car. This is the car. We have checked the wiring system, everything here. It's okay, but we need to replace one of the ignition coil. We should to guess the problem. So that's it. That's the ECU. This is a key QG15, and now we need to crank and see the rolling sound of this engine. So by that we'll be good to go. You can hear the engine is running very well. So as you accelerate, the engine runs very well. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and also keep sharing our content. We are very grateful. Thank you.